We're in the Squishmallow padded cell, for this one. Yeah, okay, so how I made the headphones for Infinity Miku, or the headset, I guess, because it has a microphone too. I don't really like how these came out. They're not super duper comfortable. And if I wasn't entering them for craftsmanship, I would not have made them. Because I think the wig looks better without them too. But also, it kind of covers up the spot where my hair might show through. So, maybe it is what it is. They're not horrible. They're not great. But this is how I made them. I had a bunch of leftover headbands from my Teletubbies birthday party that I had. So I took one that was like a neutral color that I wasn't going to wear very much. I think it was gold or like beige gold. I had like multiples of it. So I took one of those out, and then I mixed up black acrylic paint and fabric medium to paint them black. And then after that, I took some 5mm EVA foam, I think, and I took 2 of them, and I put them together. I cut out the shape on all 4 of them, and I did Dremel the sides, but it was just not looking right. I redid the pattern like several times, and it just didn't turn out right. But that's what I did. And so then I cut out the circle on the one, and then I cut out the little hexagon out of 2mm EVA foam. And then I painted all of that. I used the silver acrylic paint. And then I glued that together to the headphone. I painted on the infinity just by hand with black acrylic paint. And then for the little rectangles, I did black mixed with the silver, because it was like the silver in all of her costume, the whole costume, it like was all kind of like smoky gray. What do you call that? Like cobblestone? I don't know. It was all very, it wasn't quite silver. It was more like chrome. I don't know. So that's what I did for that. And then for the microphone, I used jewelry wire. I painted that black. I glued it, and then I just used black EVA foam for the mic. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I tried to make these look as good as I could, and I didn't. I think, and they also, I tried to glue hair clips onto them so they would stay on a little bit better, because that was the problem with the headset I made for Cyber Nico, is it would fall off. But this one didn't really fall off, but it didn't really stay on my head correctly. So I think I'm just gonna glue it to the wig now that the wig's hard styled completely. But also I just don't like it, so I like to have the ability to remove it. But that's pretty much how I made it. Simple as that. It's not great, but that's how I made it from scratch. So, all from stuff that I already had. I did not spend a dime, really, on this, on the headset, at least. So, yeah. And then you could pretty much use this method to make any headset, just change the shape. It had a really complicated, like, gear shape that's featured in a lot of this costume. And no, it's on the collar, it's on this. there it is. So thanks for watching. Hope this helps. See you for the next one.